Hey guys, it's Shane here back here again. So today I'm gonna make another video. I need to make a video. I'm gonna do a pack opening. There's 6. Alright, let's get started. So first, let's gonna get this Powerline pack. Go Powerline pack. It's pretty good, I guess. I can use that to get my guys up. Alright, so it's in top 100 for it last. Go pack first. I think I have that. Pack looks like that has been bad lately. I'm going to choose. I really hope I pull something good. Ooh, that's definitely one of the ones I wanted. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know this is a short video, but it's as much as I could do right now. So, alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace.